What do you need to do when your car won't start? Pulling our Avapo battery packs out of the car. Then let's open it. Oh, the charging cable fell out. We can see a starter battery. Press here for a battery indicator. Right side is the cable output connector. Also 2 Type-C ports and USB ports on the left side. Then we checked out this cable. The red alligator clip connects to the positive terminal, and the black alligator clips connect to the negative terminal. Here's the manual with a more detailed description of the product. First, we open the interface dust plug. Next, we align the cable to insert. When we see the light on, it means it's ready to use. Simple, convenient, sturdy, and practical. Hurry, get one for your car.